Student, welcome in my online class. Let us discuss a very good question of the height and distance asked in JEE 2007 exam. Question is: a tower stands at the center of circular path. A and B are 2 points on the boundary of path such that the distance between AB is given. Obtain an angle of 60 degree at the foot of the tower and the angle of elevation of the top of the tower from A and B is 30. Then what is the height of the tower? सबसे पहले डायग्राम ड्रॉ करते हैं. Then see from the diagram. So we have a circular path. एक circular path है. Student, this is your circular path and a tower is stand at the center of the circular path. Where is the center? This is your center and our tower is stand here like this. This is your tower. This is your tower. Look at this is your tower. Tower is stand at the center of the path. Okay, here is the tower. Tower is stand at the center of the path. So let us draw a diagram. Suppose this is your tower. O is a tower. O is a tower. Here tower is stand like this. This is your tower. This tower is this. Tower is stand like this. Here is a circular path and this is tower. So this is your tower. Here is a tower. Okay. We have 2 points. We have 2 points A and B. Here suppose we take tower PQ because AB is given 2 points. So we have 2 points. Let here a point A and here a point B. And AB is given A. So this AB is A. And this AB makes an angle of 60 degree at the center. Makes an angle of 60 degree at the center. And angle of elevation of the top of the tower from A and B is 30. So from here the elevation is 30 degree. This angle is 30 degree. From here the elevation is 30 degree. So student, here we see that tower is stand here and these 2 points makes an angle 60 degree and the angle of elevation, this line is 30 degree. It means our 90 is here. This angle is 90 degree. This angle is 90 degree. So first you draw the diagram, then we solve our problem. Let us write the description of the figure. So in the figure OP is a tower. OP टावर की हाइट कंसीडर कर लेते हैं. लेट OP is equal to h मीटर and AB is equal to A is given. ये डिस्टेंस आपको गिवन है and angle AOB. Angle AOB is also given 60 degree. In figure OA is equal to OB. OA और OB इक्वल होंगे क्योंकि रेडियस है सर्किल की. बिकॉज रेडियस ऑफ सर्किल, because these two are radius of the circle. So these sides are equal and angle is 60 degree. It means this angle is also 60 degree because equal side makes equal angle. ये एंगल 60 है, दोनों रेडियस इक्वल है, इट मींस ये दोनों एंगल भी 60 होंगे. Hence here angle here in triangle OAB ले लेते हैं. OAB and O is equal to angle A is equal to angle B, all are 60 degree. तीनों एंगल 60 हो गए. It means our triangle OAB is equilateral triangle. Hence OA is equal to OB is equal to AB, all are A. It means this is also A and this is also A. Now we take a right angle triangle OBP in right angle triangle in right angle triangle OBP. We apply tan theta. Tan 30 degree is equal to the perpendicular is OP and base is OB. The value of tan 30 is 1 upon root 3. This is h of A. It means h is equal to A upon root. So student, this is your height of the tower. So height of the tower is h upon root 3. This is a very good question and based on the 3D figure. This is your circular path and here is the tower. This OP is, this is tower. So note down. This is a very good question asked many times in your examination. Let us read this question. The question is the angle of elevation of the top of a tower from 2 points A and B in same straight line with the base and at a distance of A and B meters from the tower are complementary. In this question is given and 2 points are given where angle of elevation is complementary. So let us draw the diagram first. Student, let us consider this is your tower. PK is a tower and we take 2 points A and B on the horizontal. Suppose this is your point A and this point is B. 2 points on the ground A and B. The angle of elevation of the top the angle of their top is complementary. It means sum of these two angles are 90 degree. Complementary angle are those angles whose sum is 90 degree. It means if we take here angle theta, then angle at that point is 90 minus theta. If we add these two angles, we get 90. Distance of these points from the tower is given. This whole distance is given A meter and this distance is given B. Student, let us consider what is the height of the tower. Let h be the height of the tower. Let so this height will be h. So this is your figure. We consider PQ is a tower and 2 points A and B, where angle of the top of the tower is complementary. Complementary means sum of these two angles is 90 degree. If we take this angle theta, then this angle will be 90 minus theta. And the distance of point A is given A meter and the distance of point B is given B meter. So let us try to solve this problem. So in the figure, PQ is equal to H meter is a tower. We consider PQ is equal to H meter is a tower and given AP is equal to A, this is given in the question, and BP is equal to B. Also angle QAP is equal to theta and angle QBP is equal to 90 minus. We take this angle theta, then this angle will be 90 minus theta because it is given that angle at both points is complementary and we know that sum of the complementary angle is 90 degree. Now we take two right angles. First we take right angle triangle QBP and right angle triangle BP. We apply tan theta. So we know that tan theta is equal to perpendicular upon base. Here in place of theta we use 90 minus theta. So tan 90 minus theta is equal to the value of perpendicular is PQ and base is P. We know that tan 90 minus theta is a cot theta. So this becomes cot theta. And the value of PQ is H and BP is B. So from here we find the value of cot theta. Now we take another triangle in right angle triangle QAP. We apply the same formula, tan theta is equal to perpendicular upon base. So here perpendicular is PQ and base is AP. So tan theta is equal to H upon A. Now we multiply both these two equations. So cot theta into tan theta is equal to H upon B into H upon A. We know that cot theta is 1 upon tan theta. So this is 1 upon tan theta into tan theta is equal to H square upon AB. Here this is cancelled. So student, we have 1 is equal to H square upon AB. Or H square is equal to AB or H is equal to root A. So this is your height of the tower. This is your height of the tower in meter. So student, here we solve a very good question based on the complementary